Feel the roar of superbikes as London streets come alive in 2025 with the best from Yamaha, Ducati, Suzuki, and Kawasaki. The Ducati Panigale Vive 4 stands out with its unmatched blend of power and elegance, priced at about $30,000. It's a head-turner for those who crave speed and style. On the other hand, the Kawasaki Ninja H2 is a pure beast, delivering over 300 horsepower and costing roughly $35,000. For fans of innovation, the all-new Yamaha R9 enters the scene at around $18,000, offering cutting-edge performance. And who could overlook Suzuki's iconic Hayabusa, a legend reborn, priced at approximately $20,000.